All right, hello everybody. I am going to attempt to make a tutorial that will teach you how to make your own countdown with the app called Mix It Up. So, step one for all of this, you need to be a PC streamer, right? Whether that's with a capture card and your console or playing the game on PC, somehow the PC has to be involved. There's probably a way to do it without having a PC involved, but I'm not sure. I need to research that a little bit. But we're going to be doing this with Mix It Up on a PC. Okay, there's probably a way to do it, otherwise, but I need to look into that. So once you are on your PC, first you need to get the app called Mix It Up. I'm going to put the link in the bio here, but this is what the website looks like. You just download it, log in with Twitch, super easy. Okay. There's a step with that where you can get it to show overlays via OBS, but we're going to skip that part and maybe go over it a different day. But once you have Mix It Up, this is what the window will look like. All right. Sometimes it can be minimized like that, but we can full screen to work with it like this. Okay. So this is your chat window. This is what it looks like whenever you first open Mix It Up. All right. So you have to log in, of course, with your Twitch, like I said, and then you'll have all of this, and it'll be able to chat in your streams as the streamer's name, right? So up here in the top left is what I call the hamburger, right? These three horizontal lines. These are everything that you can do with Mix It Up, and you're going to be navigating the app most of the time from the hamburger up here in the top left. Okay. So we're going to make a new command. So we're going to go to commands right here. And I've got a bunch already, but we're going to click this new command button here in the bottom middle, right? So click new command and it brings this up. And the first thing we're going to do is name it, right? It says name. So we're going to call it countdown. You can call it whatever you want. This is where you can get creative, right? And then we're going to tab down to the chat triggers right below. And this is what you're going to type in chat to activate the command. So for my streams, I do CD10, right, to imply countdown for 10 seconds. But for now, since I already have a CD10, we're just going to call it countdown. Right below it, this toggle that's blue says auto include the exclamation mark. If you want, you can uncheck that, and then I do a space to separate it, and you can type it this way so that with it like this, you can have the trigger be without the exclamation point or with the exclamation point. And then over here in the usage requirements, there's all this different stuff, but we're going to go to user role right here. You can just like hover over to see what they are. And the very first one is user role. Click on that. Of course, the streaming platform is fine, but the role for who's going to be able to do this command, you want it at least to be a moderator or the streamer, right? We don't want people in chat just randomly activating the countdown. So we set that to moderator right here. And now this action thing here in the bottom middle is a drop-down menu, okay? So we're going to click on action and we're going to do chat message. All of these are different things that you can have happen whenever the chat trigger is typed in the chat. Okay, but we're going to do chat message, and then you click the plus sign. And then this is how we build our command, is you pick what you want to happen in this drop-down menu, and then you hit the plus sign to make it appear right here. So for our chat message, we're going to send it as the streamer. And for the very first thing that happens when it is triggered, we're going to do countdown starts in 10 seconds, right? Basic. You can type whatever you want. You can put emotes. Fun note, you can put your own emotes and it'll use them free of charge. You don't have to like gift a sub to the bot or anything like with other bots and streaming. But this way it'll be typing as you and you can put your own emotes if you want. Get creative, have fun with it, right? So then the countdown starts in 10 seconds. And then after that, okay, we're going to drop down this menu again and we stack different things to happen after it says that it starts in 10 seconds. So after our chat message, if we scroll down a little bit, or you can just type W to go straight there, there's an option that says wait, okay? So we're going to click wait and then click the plus sign and you see like magic, it goes right after what we typed a moment ago to indicate the 10 seconds we're beginning. And it's a wait, and you'll see it says amount in seconds. So we're going to do 5 seconds, okay? So type 5 right there. And then we're going to drop this menu down and then scroll back up to chat message. And then we're going to click the plus sign again to stack one right after the amount for 5 seconds and toggle on the send as streamer. Okay, so send as streamer. And then 5 seconds have passed. All right, think about it like this. It will say starts in 10 seconds. Then it's going to wait for 5 seconds. And then we're going to do 5 dot dot dot, right? Because 5 seconds have passed. So now 5 seconds remaining. So then we're going to drop down this menu again and then go to the wait option again. All right, I just clicked W to go straight there. So wait, then our plus button. And then we want it to wait for, let's say, 2 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna make it do a 3, 2, 1 after it goes 5 dot dot dot. Then we're gonna make it go 3, 2, 1, go. Right. So we waited for 2 seconds after the 5 dot dot dot. And now we're gonna click the drop down menu, scroll back up, go to chat message again, and then we're gonna stack the next message, send as streamer. So it's done 5 dot dot dot, and the next one we want to be after the 2 second wait, be 3 dot dot dot. And then we're going to make it wait for 1 second. Actually, hold on. So before the 3 dot dot dot, I want emote only mode to happen. And the way you do that is in this drop down menu, you can go to the option Twitch. Okay. So Twitch, then our plus sign. And then there's another drop down menu right here where you can choose the type, and then there's all these different Twitch options like raid. You can VIP somebody, which is obviously not what we want to happen. So then set chat settings, and then there's emote only mode, slow mode. Basically, we want to uncheck all of this stuff. We want to just be emote only mode, right? So that way people can't type while your chat countdown is happening. And because I did this a little bit late, I want it to happen before the 3 dot dot dot. So all of this looks good, and I'm going to click this up button to move up. So now you'll see it goes 5 dot dot dot, it waits 2 seconds, and then it's going to enable emote only mode, okay? And then it's going to do the 3 dot dot dot, and now we want it to wait 1 second after the 3. So I'm going to click the wait, do a plus sign, and then after the 3 dot dot dot, we're going to make it wait 1 second, okay? And then we're going to do another chat message after that 1 second wait, and then click the plus, and then send as a streamer, and then we're going to do 2 dot dot dot. And then we're going to make it wait another second. All right, you see how it's working? So we click wait, then the plus, and we're going to do another 1 second wait. And now we got to do a 1 dot dot dot. So we click this drop down menu, scroll back up to chat message, hit the plus sign. And yeah, so I did 2 dot dot dot. Now we're going to do 1 dot dot dot. And then we're going to wait 1 more second. Right. So I click the wait right here again, then the plus sign. And we're going to do the amount seconds 1. And then we're going to go up to the chat message again, and then the plus sign, send as streamer. We're going to do go. Okay. And then it does go. And now we're going to turn emote only mode off. So we drop down this menu, and then we're going to go back to the Twitch category, hit the plus sign, and then the type, we want it to be set chat settings, and scroll down a little bit more and uncheck everything again except for emote only mode, right? And now I think we are set to go. We have everything built and stacked properly, right? Let's just do another recap. So it'll go, we type countdown in the chat. Whoops. We do countdown in the chat, and then countdown starts in 10 seconds. Then it's going to wait for 5 seconds, and then it's going to go 5 dot dot dot. Then it's going to wait for 2 seconds, and then it's going to turn on emote only mode. And then it'll go 3 dot dot dot, wait 1 second, 2 dot dot dot, 1 second, 1 dot dot dot, 1 second, go, and then it's going to turn emote only mode off again. So let's go test it out in chat and see how it looks. So we're going to click the save button right here to save everything that we've done. Now let's click the hamburger, go back up in the chat and see how it works. So now you can just type countdown right here. And let's see, countdown starts in 10 seconds. It's waiting. It's waiting. 5. Waiting. 3, 2, 1. Go. and it seems to have started itself again. So this is going to be kind of a trial and error thing. Got to figure out exactly what's going on. I don't know how the hell. Oh, it's because it says countdown right there. And that word triggers the fucking countdown. Um, yeah, trial and error. Let's go back into it. Commands, and you can search for the commands. Let's look up countdown and let's turn it off. Make that shit stop. And let's reword our very first thing. Let's just put a space right here so it doesn't trigger it, right? Now we hit save and go back up to our chat. We're going to try it again. Oh, well, looks like it's been going still. Ugh, annoying. I don't know if the emote only thing is working or not. That's my only qualm right now. Let's see. But yeah, now it's perfect, really. Besides the questioning of whether emote only mode is working or not. But this is exactly how you do it. So it works great with Fall Guys as my application. You can tell people to get on the same server as you and the game mode, and then you do this and everybody readies up on go, and then we get in the same game. So I'm going to check and make sure that that's all working, and otherwise this is a ready to use countdown bot besides the whole emote only mode question. But if that's not really a concern for you, then that's all you got to do. You can leave out the Twitch chat feature setting, right? But hopefully this is good. Give me any feedback. It'll all be appreciated. If I need to slow down on certain parts or if you need anything explained more in detail, just let me know. But this is how you do a countdown with Mix It Up.